Alright, so what I did here was I laid some cardboard down and then some towels, and I didn't have to disconnect the fog lights. I only disconnected 3 parking sensors, and 2 self tappers I already unscrewed here. Crap, it's hard to film by myself. And the A badge literally just fell right out. There it is. So that did not have any mask, or did not have any sticky tape on it. Just 2 self tappers. So now that I got that out, put this bumper back on. Hold on. Put the bumper back on here. Don't fall. Alright, sorry. Now I'm just going to put this bumper, one clip on both side tops here. Just to make it easy. So I don't have to hold this thing up. Why, freaking... There we go, 2 on the top. So now I can clean this up and throw the new badge on there. Sorry, first video. I have no idea what I'm doing here, so I'll be right back.